Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to sketch on a curved surface and or what is the meaning or how to use split line tool. With the help of split line tool, we will apply line or on this curved surface from inside and outside both. So let's see how to do in SolidWorks. Now here first we have to create a jar, then we will apply those lines on a surface. So front plane is sketch. Now here we are going to sketch a jar. So activate line tool. Again activate line tool and draw some little bigger than this. Now activate split line. Now start from here, something like here, and connect. Right click, select or press escape key on keyboard. Activate smart dimension. Let's define the dimension 300 length. Then this distance from here 200. Then the second distance from here 75. The bottom length 30. The upper length 50. This distance from here 30. Let's say this one 70. This is fully defined sketch. 75. Activate extruded boss base, revolve boss base tool. Activate, select this line as the axis of revolution and condition 360-degree blind. Now I am going to choose shell 5 millimeter and select this face. Show preview, you will see the preview, say yes, look, fillet, keep 2 millimeter constant size, and I am going to choose these two ends. See, now let's apply curves on this line on this curve surface. So first let's say which plane we are going to take, let's say front plane. Now activate line tool and let's draw a random line like this. Okay. Now activate linear sketch pattern. I am not going to define this line. X-axis. Now here choose this line. Y-axis. Click reverse direction. Here put the distance 24. X-axis 0. Let's see 30. Okay, that's fine. That is enough numbers. Say OK. Now we have option in features. Drop down the curves menu, split line. Once you select split line, select projection. The sketch is already selected. Now here we have to choose face. If I am going to choose outside face, this side face, say OK. Look. But this is not going to apply inside. We will change glass, clear glass. That's fine. But if you want to apply inside, edit split line and here in face select inside face also. Select all the inside face. Now let's check, say yes. Look, you will see two lines, one outside, one inside. See, if you want to change this color, let's apply some thick glass like brown or even though from here red, say yes. Look, we applied color thickness inside and outside. Even though, let's apply some more. Activate center rectangle, exit. Now go to feature, split line. Now here I am going to choose outside and inside. See, sketch selected, projection, say yes. Look. Cancel. Inside, outside, what you have to choose. Okay. Now that's it. So this is how we can make, create, customize or curved lines on curved surfaces. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.